Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Monday 14th of March. And yeah, here we are. Yesterday we saw this falling wedge with SLP, and the bad thing about the falling wedge is that you didn't break to the upside the way you're supposed to be breaking to the upside and backtesting and continuing. And I did tell you that wait for the clear breakout of SLP, and then when that one is done, then we're going to see SLP going to back to this area, which is going to be the 2021, something like that. But instead what you did is you went below for the first time. Now it seems like there's a little bit of chance for it to actually go back up to this place, which is 165. Now the question here is that is this a fake out, or is this a real loss of a support? Okay, and you can still make the fact that this was your descending triangle potentially right there. So maybe that was your descending triangle right here, and then you move to the downside, boom. And the technical targets of this descending triangle is actually going to take you from there to there. Let's just measure everything. Okay, yeah, so this one could take you down to 0.0133. Okay, this is where SLP can come down. If this is a descending triangle that is about to play out, then it's gonna be really bad. Okay, really bad for investing into SLP, and very risky at the moment. But you still have to wait for the retest. Okay, this could just be a fake out, and then you go back past the retest, and then boom, you shoot to the upside as well. So during this time you're gonna have this level of resistance up here basically. So you're gonna see these lines coming down there, and that's the resistance points that I'm looking for. And if you do start to cross that resistance, it would be nice for SLP for me to say that okay, SLP is gonna continue to the upside. As long as you're below that resistance, this potential play could come out if this was your descending triangle. So you are going to be looking at 0.0133 basically. All right, so let's dive into the daily and look at the daily time frame. Yeah, so the daily still looks like this. Okay, okay. Um, all right, all right, guys. I still have doubt if this was, on the daily, it still looks like a falling wedge. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to connect it like this. Yeah, this is still a falling wedge, guys. Yeah, on the daily, it still seems like a falling wedge, and it seems like it came down to a support level. Do you see that? So I'm just gonna treat it like falling wedge, okay? Because even on the line readings, if I turn on the line readings right here, this doesn't look anything like descending triangle. All you're doing is you can already see you're going up, you came down here, you went up, you came down here, and potentially you're looking to go back up to 68, 168, again, come down here maybe to the 150, and then break out and then go back to where you formed this level. So I'm not really convinced if that is a descending triangle. People are saying, and even if it's a descending triangle, you're gonna look for 0.0133. But it's a good thing I actually gave a look at the coin on the daily time frame, because the daily time frame is gonna give you way more better clarity more than 4-hour time frame. So to me, this still seems like a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern and nothing else. I'm still not buying into the idea that it was a descending triangle. And guys, I'm not even trying to defend this coin or anything, but I'm just telling you what it is. Okay, if it was a descending triangle, even the line would have made something like this. The line would have printed something like this, let's say it will be like this, go up, then like this, then come down, then like this, and that would have been like something that's descending, and we could have a descending triangle where the support are flat, really flat. But if you look at the lines here, the lines are curving like this. Okay, they're not, you know it's falling. It's a falling wedge, guys. It's not a descending triangle. It is a falling wedge. Let's go back to the lines. You can already see nothing here shows me that there's a very flat surface. No, the lines are actually declining in the support level and in the resistance level, and this just tells me that it's a falling wedge, nothing else. So on the daily, it looks like that. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks like a descending triangle. But I'm just gonna buy in into the idea that this on the daily is a falling wedge. I kind of like this one much more better because I don't want to spread any FUD when there's no FUD at all. So what I'm expecting here though is that tomorrow you're gonna see SLP shoot to the upside just like it did right here. Okay, so this history can repeat. Make a doji today, tomorrow make a green, big, huge green candle like that. Make a morning star, and then from here breakout, back test, and then boom, you go back to this place because Bitcoin is also looking quite bullish. It didn't lose the structure. Bitcoin is still looking good. So for that one, SLP is also going to remain on the good terms as well. So if you guys want to learn about trading as well, you can check out my trading course here. The link is in the description of the video. I do have like 15 to 20 hours of contents out there. So do give it a check if you are interested in that one as well. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.